So, good day everyone. I am Engine Cadet Junior Alabon and my partner is Kim Ryan Aliyah. So, today I will discuss calendar rhythm method. So, for you, what is a calendar rhythm method? Okay, so let's proceed to our PowerPoint. So, our second slide, which is how the method works. So this slide explains how the calendar or rhythm method works. It is a natural family planning and method that tracks a woman menstrual cycle to know which day she is fertile. So evaluations usually happens in the middle of the cycle, and the pregnancy is most likely during this time. To prevent pregnancy, couples avoid sexual intercourse on those fertile days. So this method requires recording a menstrual cycle for several months to be accurate. So let's proceed to our next slide. So our next slide is advantages and disadvantage. So this slide shows benefits and limitations of a cylinder method. One advantages is this is free and does not use medicine or device, so there are no side effects. So it is also acceptable to people with religious or cultural beliefs. So however, the method requires discipline and regular cycles to work properly. It's less effective for women with regular periods and does not protect against sexual transmitted infections. So let's proceed to our next slide. So our next slide is effectiveness, cost, and availability. So this slide discuss how effective and accessible the method is. When used correct, the calendar method is about 78 or 76 to 88% effective. It does not cost anything and can be done anywhere because it only needs a calendar or tracking app. However, effectiveness depends on correct and constant use by both partners. So my last slide is my personal insight. So my personal insight, which is the calendar method, is a simple and natural way to plan a family, but requires commitment and proper knowledge. It is best for couples, however, regular menstrual cycles and can avoid fertile days while it's safe and natural, it is less reliable compared to modern family planning methods. So that's all, and thank you for listening. Bye bye.